Hi. So in this video we are going to learn how to download population density uh, dataset from WorldPop website. Okay, which is raster dataset. Extension is .t file. Okay, so we are going to download this data from the this website, and then we can visualize using this ArcGIS. Okay, and then we can maybe also clip using shapefile or study area file. Okay. So what you need to do, just write down WorldPop in your browser section. So I have written already. And then what you need to do, just simply enter. And then you can see this other, this is the website of WorldPop. And then just click on that website. So you can found this kind of window is over there. So there's a lot of variables is available, but so look at over there, it's in data section. So just you need to click on that data section, and then look at that, it's a global 202 2015 to 2030 population count, number of count population data. But over there's a different kind of data set is available. Just over there, look at that population density. Okay, and just click on that. Okay, and then you will found this kind of window. So over here you can see there is an two type of data is available, which is unconstrained individual countries and unconstrained individual countries UN adjusted. Which one you have to use to just as per your need you have to use, or you have to download the data set. Okay, and then just go again data set section. Okay, if you want to change the variable, there is a lot of variable is available. You can download as per as you need. So in my case, I'm going to download this one, unconstrained individual countries 1 kilometer resolution. Okay, and then just simply click OK. So in my case, so there's a lot of countries name is available. Okay, look at that, the total page number is 12202 202. So in my case, maybe I'm going to download Nepal. Okay, so over here the search section. So in search section you have to write Nepal. So I have write down, and then you can see the continent is Asia and country is Nepal, and AR over there, and geotype is population density, and resolution is 1 kilometer, and over there is a data and a resource. Okay, so we can look at that. There is a starting year is 2000, and then the last year is 2020. Okay, so I'm going to download this one 2020. So what you need to do, just simply click on data and resources. You can see if you download this data and visualize, then the map will be look like that. This is the preview version. And if you data production, look at that, the data production is 20622. And if you are using this data, then you need to cite these things. Okay, citation. So data is published from, look at that, department School of Geography and Environmental Science, University of Southampton, Department of Geography and Geoscience, University of Louisville, and Department of Geography, University Namur, and Center for International Earth Science Information Network, Columbia University. Okay, so you need to cite this one. Okay, and this is the data production, and the region is Nepal, and DY number is over there. And look at that, few description is over there. The mapping approach is random forest based asymmetric redistribution. Okay, and there is a two type of data is available. Okay, look at that, ASCII XYZ, and another is strip file. Okay, so in my case I'm going to download the file. So just what you need to do, just simply click on .tv extension. Look at that, it's downloading. Okay, it's download. So let's take it in a safe folder. So in my case, the folder name is if and population. My folder name is popu, and inside of this folder I keep this downloaded file. Okay, so I have already opened the ArcGIS. Okay, so let's import this dataset. Just over there you can see the add data section. Click on that add data section. There is a lot of methods available how to import the dataset. I am showing the simple one. Okay, in my case I keep it inside the popu folder. Okay, so you can directly go to the over there. Okay, if you don't find, in my case I'm going to connect the folder using plus icon, and then so this is my folder over here. Click OK. Okay, look at that, the file one. Just simply click OK and add. Okay, so look at that. So this is the final raster file which was over there before downloading. Okay, so if you click over there, then you can see population, estimated population density per grid cell, population Kilometer square at a resolution of 30 arc second, approximately 1 kilometer at the equator. Okay, and this is the others kind of description, and scale is over there, and the lower to high population density. So in my case, this is the final raster file. So what we need to do right now, need to change the color. Just simply click on that color palette option, double click, and then you can change the color as per as you need. In my case, I'm going to use this one, so please OK, click OK. Look at that. This is the final population density map. So if the color is dense, it means at that particular place the population density is very high. So in this case over there, maybe if I am not wrong, it's maybe Kathmandu, which is the capital city of Nepal. And then if you classify, if you want to classify, then you can classify. Okay, just simply click OK and left click and go to properties, and then go to symbology. Okay, and then just simply click on classified. Okay, click on that, yes, and look at that over there. Okay, and then use this one in my case, and format label I'm going to change. If you have any question, just leave your question in comment section. I will figure out. Okay, and then OK, and then apply. Look at that. Okay, so you can change the classification number. So in my case, I'm going to use 10. Okay, 10, apply. So look at that. Okay, if you want to more, then you can more. Okay, so this is the basic step, and in my case I'm going to stretch just for a good visualization and showing you how to download and visualize the population density data. So if you have any shape file or study area file, like if you want just in that particular area population density, then you can use shape file to clip or mask that particular area. Okay, so in this video I showed you how to download the population density raster file and how to visualize the data using ArcGIS, and you can classify as per as you need. So if you have any question, just leave the question in comment section so I will figure out. Thank you very much.